This is my 2020 bike check, and yeah, let's get started. So, starting up top, I have the Mike Hoder S&M grips. Probably my favorite grips I've ever rode. I used to ride the Brock Rayfords. I love them. I just went through them way too fast. But yeah, they felt amazing. The bars I have are Heaven's Gate vegan bars. Very good feeling bars, very good street bars. They're pretty light for 4-piece, and they just look really cool, I think. Then I have a Fiend stem, which came off of my old Complete bike when I first started riding BMX, and it's held up for this long, so there's no reason to change it. Then you can't forget zip tie gang. If you guys are watching this, put zip ties on your handlebars on the left side and join the zip tie gang. Anyways, then my forks are Fiend forks. Then I have Colt camo tires. Then I have a Odyssey Vandura Pro hub with G-Sport wheel and 4 Jake Seeley pegs with 4 hub guards. Then my back wheel is a Odyssey Clutch V2 with a G-Sport wheel. Then I have a Colt chain, which is pretty much 3 chains put together, but it still crank flips really good, so doesn't matter. Then I have a Colt Dax sprocket. Then I have Eclat 160 cranks. Then Merit P1 pedals. Then I have a Colt Big Logo seat, which is a great feeling seat. Then I have an Animal seat post. Then the main thing of this bike is the frame, obviously, and it is a Anthony Panza Too Short frame. Best feeling frame I've ever rode. It's a 20.75 with a 13.5 rear end, I think. Very short, very responsive. Actually feels good for riding bulls and stuff. I'm not that much of a park rider. If you ever see me in the park, I'm probably riding the street section, but if you ever see me riding the bull or something, I'm still able to flow around pretty good on it, and it's pretty comfortable. So yeah, now I'll go over all the specs of the bike and hopefully get some clips afterwards. Now but I'm just gonna plug in some of my Instagram clips from yesterday and this from a little bit ago, because I can't get any clips right now because it is currently pouring rain. And yeah, so just here's some clips.
But this one Sunday, it was like, it started Sunday morning, I woke up with a fit. Grandma gone to church and my papa gone to fish. So they cool. I washed my face, brushed my teeth, and I rolled up a split. My person BM called my phone, arguing and shit. Damn. So I hung up in her face, grabbed my strap, walked out the door. iPhone calling, ringing, man, I got too many. I went and checked the mail and then went back and locked the door. Locked it. Grape hop out the Uber, like let pull up on the low. Jump up in that bean, signs down the E-ways, go 150. Got with blizzard, smoking.
I came in with a new 40 Glock. Fuck on your bitch, make that hoe wanna milli rock. I'm with my boys and no, we do not milli rock. Funny money, no, this is not no silly guap. Got a richer milli, this not a silly one.